Hey, what is up, guys? This is Aaron 38, AA Ron from the Retro Gaming Ghostbusters, and I got my buddy here.
Webster in 1977.
We're actually on our way to go down to Virginia and go to Paracon, the Ghostbusters Tri-State Division. Bobby and Mitchell, they'll be going down there. We're going to be picking Mitchell up on our way. But I want to do a quick video. We stopped at Cracker Barrel over in our Chambersburg on the way over, and we ended up picking up Spud. An edible Spud. I put my window up so you can hear me a little bit better.
Keep sliding down.
Yeah, he's actually a gummy. I thought it was like a chocolate bar or something, but it's a gummy. And that sucker was $10. So
yeah,
you can see the price on it. So we're gonna open him up. We're gonna open his butt up, and we're gonna scarf down the gummy goodness and see what we think of it.
Oh shit.
So get him to open it up there. They do have it packaged nicely in there. Individual wrapper, that's cool.
Wrapper.
Holy moly.
Indestructible plastic.
Indestructible plastic. Yeah, the packaging's pretty neat. The packaging's pretty neat on it.
Green apple. That's what I expected.
Green apple. Oh, I can smell it. Yeah, that is cool.
Green apple splatters, baby.
Green apple Spud.
Yeah. Smells like a hot dude. Fuck, put that by the vent. Put that by the vent, poke some holes in the back.
Yeah. You can actually smell that. That is pretty good. That is pretty neat. Let me tear off one of his hands. Yeah. Holy crap. God, jeez. I had to bite it off with a hacksaw. Holy crap. Damn. I got his arm.
We got good teeth. You don't eat teeth there, but
holy crap. That tastes pretty good.
After you get a
After you have to gum it to death.
I'm gumming to death. We're got on arms now.
Man, it's pretty good. Pretty good.
Tastes like sugar diabetes.
That's what Ward would say, it's sugar diabetes.
No.
Poor guy.
Yeah.
But yeah. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
If you had to gum it to death. But $10 for that, they could at least had it for $5.
Yeah.
And then we're getting all kinds of random looks going down 81 here. looks like no one's seen an Ecto driving on the interstate before. But yeah, my thoughts on that. That's pretty good. But oh man, for $10, I was going to get 2 of them. I was like, yeah, we'll just eat the Spud.
I think if it was $5, you probably would have got 2 of them and it's been $10.
Either way, yeah.
But then you would have had 2.
Yeah, I would have had 2. But yeah, definitely.
I think you need more than 1 now.
Yeah, poor Spud, you don't have no arms. Show him, Bill, he has no arms now. Alright, fellas.
Because it reached out for me.
Oh. Anyway, this is AA Rod from the Retro Gaming Ghostbusters, aka Aaron 38. And
Web Junior 1977.
reviewing the new Cracker Barrel Gummy Slimer. I do believe they have a Stay Puft, but the Cracker Barrel only had the Slimer and the shirts.
Coconut?
Well, he'd probably be toasted marshmallow flavor. Probably. But all in all, very cool. Highly recommended if you guys want to try it. It's not really worth $10 in my opinion, but actually you actually smell the green apple flavor. The scent of green apple. So enough said, guys.
I didn't tell you that.
Yeah, you just smell it. It was like just as soon as you wrapped it. So, until next time, fellas, this is AA Ron from the Retro Gaming Ghostbusters and William Beachley from the Retro Gaming Ghostbusters, aka Trans Aaron 38 and
Web Junior 1977.
We'll talk to you guys later and catch you on the flip side. Figure give you guys a quick, nice little review on our way down to Paracon. Till next time, I'll probably have more videos here headed your way for Paracon. So, till next time, guys, we ain't afraid of no ghosts. Later.